Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Car Blog India, and we are going to take you on a journey to the world of electric cars today. Today we have something special for you, the Mahindra XUV400 EL Pro. Buckle up because we are going to tell you why this car, priced at an unbelievable price point, is your ticket to the world of electric cars. Let's start with the premium interiors. Step inside and you're greeted with modern setup and top-notch quality materials with best-in-class space. Whether you are driving around the city or embarking on a road trip, the XUV400 ensures that you travel in style and comfort. Even as you enjoy the comfort of your drive, the XUV400 EL Pro turns heads on the road. The new age styling, sleek LED headlamp cluster, a palette of attractive color options, bold surface treatment give XUV400 the modern and macho road presence. Trust me, you will make a statement every time you hit the road in an XUV400. Now let's talk tech. The Mahindra XUV400 EL Pro is not just a pretty face, it is loaded with features to the brim. From the Adreno X connectivity option with twin 10.25-inch digital screen layout, this car is brimming with technology. I strongly feel that these new age features make this car a great travel companion. My favorite are the wireless charger, which keeps your phone charging such an easy affair. Also, this car gets dual zone automatic temperature control. This means your co-passengers will have much more added convenience of setting the temperature to their own liking, making their journey more enjoyable. And that's not it, the rear passengers get their own dedicated AC vents. Finally, the single pedal mode makes this car effortless to drive in the city traffic. And under the hood, the XUV400 delivers best-in-class performance. Thanks to advanced battery management system, this car is not just an electric car, it is a powerhouse on wheels. It delivers an experience like never before. Now safety, a non-negotiable aspect for any car buyer. The XUV400 goes above and beyond with 6 airbags, ESP, TPMS and auto-dimming IRVM. Not only that, the XUV400 is also IP67 compliant, making this macho SUV practically dust and water resistant. Now that's a testament to Mahindra's commitment to safety, making the XUV400 super safe. Now you must be thinking, all these features must come at a very hefty price tag. Guess what? The Mahindra XUV400 not only excels in every department, but it is also most value for money product in its segment. And again, don't just take our word. Just look how it compares to its main rival. You are not only getting the best, you are getting the maximum bang for the buck. Truly, we can't think of any other electric car which offers you so much at this price. And there you have it, the Mahindra XUV400, a bold, safe and feature-packed offering that gives you the thrill of electric driving without breaking the bank. And your ticket to the world of electric cars has arrived, and it is the new Mahindra XUV400.